Alright, well that's it for the lineup. Now for a segment I'm calling What's in the Box Already. And this is off script, kinda. I know I'm gonna grab this one because I cut the tape off of it. It's one of the new Spider-Man box booths. So let's open up a Spider-Man box booth. Let's see what we get here. I'm probably gonna swap cameras to the other camera and then we'll come back. Alright, now let's see what we got from that Spider-Man booth. That's my Instagram tag of the day. And we've got the new, I feel like Peter here. Let's see what we got today. So it starts with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles issue number 80. Okay. Then we go to Elvira, Mistress of the Dark, number 8. Show both those. Flare. That. Okay. Next is X-Men number 257. And Green Arrow number 14. And last, finally, we've got that variant that always makes the box kind of man, that's really cool. Let's see. It is Renew Your Vows. And it's the Unknown Comics exclusive. Very nice cover. And that is my Spider-Man box. Alright, well that was fun. Thanks for taking the time to watch me and our channel today. Please visit me on Facebook and Instagram where I'll be posting this schedule with any ads and or changes this afternoon. We've also got a Patreon page if you're supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. If you know of anyone who might be interested in this information, please share this with them. Also, drop me a comment below on how I can improve this show or if there's a channel out there that I should be watching. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing so you don't miss any of this great new content. Who knows? You may find your new favorite channel today. And as always, don't forget, we had a good time. I'll see you all tonight in the chats.